Hello, welcome you guys to my Voice IELTS channel. Today I'll speaking our topic is cooking. So let's start. If you like the channel, do like and subscribe for more videos. So let's start.
Who normally prepare food in your home?
Normally, my grandmother and mother prepare food in our home. They both are magnificent cook. My father is a professional chef. Sometimes he also tried new recipes at home.
In general, do you prefer eating out or at home?
I am a home lover. I like to eat hygienic food. I order from restaurants when suddenly guests arrive, or I order online when no one is at home to prepare food.
What sort of food do you like most?
I usually prefer homemade food, which my mother prepares. She is an amazing cook. I observe her and enjoy her cooking. I like curry rice from Indian food, South Indian, and Italian also.
Do you watch cookery programs on television?
I don't have much time to watch television as I am interested in reading and gaming, but usually in my free time when my sister is watching MasterChef, I sit along with her and enjoy the program.
When you were a child, did you ever help your parents to prepare a meal?
Yes, I did, but rather than cooking, I helped my parents with simple chores like washing the vegetables and setting the table. I enjoyed that time.
Who is the best cook you know?
I don't know much about the culinary world, so I can't name any famous chef. To me, the best cook is no one other than my mom. She knows recipe for almost all dishes. Her food is always so tasty.
What are some of the things that you can cook?
I'm not a skilled cook. I know the basics like fried egg and boiled veggies. I even can't make these dishes well. They are left uncooked or boiled.
Do you think that it's important to know how to cook well?
As much as I hate to cook, I must admit that people who can cook often take good care of themselves and those around them.
That's all guys for today. Do like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for today.